This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable your online status on the Discord app. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Discord here. I have the Discord app opened up now. To enable or disable your online status, it's very easy to do. You need to go off to the lower left-hand corner, down to where you see your username. Click on your username. Then you'll go up to where it says online. You'll put your mouse cursor over online. And as you can see, I am currently online. It shows that I am online, but you have 3 more choices. You can go to idle. You could idle for 15 minutes all the way down to forever. You can go to do not disturb. If you do that, you choose between 15 minutes down to forever. That means you will not receive any desktop notifications. Or if you want to become invisible, you will appear on offline. You would choose between, do you want that for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, all the way down to forever. And those are the choices that you have. Thanks for watching.